That Ford Victoria is a beauty, isn't it? Now, of course, the car looks good when it comes off the assembly line, but how will it stand up to the years ahead? Well, if it's a new Ford, you can be sure it'll look young and stay young. The Ford people have proved it. Here in the laboratory, they've exposed Ford's body trim to hours of corrosive salt spray. They've put the new Ford in this cold room and exposed it to hours of sub-zero temperatures, just to make sure that every part, every feature of your Ford will withstand hard winter weather. And talk about weather. In this wind tunnel, they've tested and proved Ford performance in heavier downpours and in fiercer gales than any you're likely to meet. The Ford has been proven on the test track, too, with tests like this and like this. There's a real demonstration of Ford's ruggedness. This car is built to take it and go on taking it through mud and water and dust. Here you're watching a new Ford in just one phase of its road tests. Tests that call for as many as 50,000 miles of continuous driving. Tests that subject every part of the car, inside and out, to a lifetime of hard punishment. Yes, indeed. The new Ford has more than beauty. It has long life built in. You can pay more, but you can't buy better.
Here's one of Ford's test cars coming off the famous Dearborn test track after miles of hard driving. Now meet the man who's in charge of servicing these cars, the head of Ford's experimental garage, Elmer Engelman.
Here's one way to find out whether your Ford needs service. Push down on the clutch pedal. If there is less than 1 inch of free play, better have it checked at your local Ford dealers. His mechanics will service your Ford the way we service our test cars, using up-to-date methods and special equipment. They'll do the job quickly, and they'll do it right.
For clutch adjustment, for any job, from a major overhaul to your regular 1,000-mile lubrication, see your Ford dealer. The kind of service that's proved on Ford's own test cars enables your dealer to save you time, save you money, and save your Ford.
Hello, I'm Elmer J. Engelman, head of Ford's experimental garage here at the Dearborn test track. Take a look out there. Those are Ford test cars. They take a real beating, and it's up to us to keep them serviced. That means knowing when they need service. Sometimes it's easy. For example, we tell our drivers to keep an eye on the charge indicator. When the needle shows excessive charge or discharge at normal operating speeds, we know something's wrong. That should be a signal for you too. That's the time to see your Ford dealer.
Right. Your Ford dealer gets the benefit of equipment and methods proved here by Ford's test track mechanics. Every job, from lubrication to major overhaul, is done fast, done right. So save time, save money, and save your Ford with Ford dealer service. Here's a man who helps keep them rolling at Ford's Dearborn test track, master mechanic Art Stotz.
One of the things you can do to keep your car rolling longer is to make sure your oil filter is doing its job. Here's how you can check it. Just place a drop on a piece of white paper. If it's dirty like this, your car needs service, Ford dealer service, because he gets the benefit of the knowledge we developed right here on the test track. He knows how to make your car last longer.
Right. The methods and equipment that are proved in Ford's test track garage are made available to your own local Ford dealer. So whether you need a new oil filter cartridge, engine tune-up, or major overhaul, see your Ford dealer. He has Ford-trained mechanics, special tools and equipment, and genuine Ford parts. You can be sure the job will be done fast and done right with Ford dealer service.
Here's the car that steps ahead for the years ahead. The 1951 Ford with 43 look-ahead features, many of which you'll find on Ford's beautiful new safety glow control panel. newly restyled to permit grouping of instruments for greater convenience and safety. With Ford's new automatic key turn starting, for instance, your engine springs into life at the turn of a key. And as you drive this great new car, you will enjoy a level, easy, firm ride with no bounce or pitch or roll. Ford's new automatic ride control cushions big bumps as well as the little ones. And you have a choice of Ford's advanced new 6-cylinder engine or the famous 100 horsepower V8. Both are available with the improved conventional drive or the overdrive. And in addition, the V8 is available with Ford-O-Matic drive, newest, finest, and most flexible of all automatic transmissions. See for yourself why folks all over the country are saying that the 1951 Ford is the finest car Ford has ever built. You'll agree you can pay more, but you can't buy better.
Here's the new 1951 Ford, the car that steps ahead for the years ahead. It brings you 43 new look-ahead features, combines long-life economy with lasting luxury and driving ease. Just look at Ford's new Safety Glow control panel, for instance. Instruments and control knobs are grouped for special convenience, and controls are lighted by Ford's exclusive glow cup illumination for easier nighttime selection. With Ford's new automatic key turn starting, for instance, your engine springs into life at the turn of a key. When you drive the fine new Ford, you'll be aware of the difference made by Ford's automatic ride control that literally adjusts the ride to the road. Front and rear suspensions accommodate themselves instantly to rough roads or smooth, work together to give you an easy, comfortable ride, a safe ride, with no bounce, no pitch, no sway. You'll discover the real meaning of economy, too. For Ford's automatic mileage maker, a system that matches timing to fuel changes, actually takes you farther on every gallon of gas. So look ahead. Drop into your neighborhood Ford dealers. One test drive and you'll agree. You can pay more, but you can't buy better than a 1951 Ford.
Admired the long, graceful lines of this sleek Ford convertible, the functional beauty of this sturdy Ford sedan. Now, Ford again steps ahead with this latest addition to the Ford line of fine cars, the new Ford Victoria. That lustrous body finish is one of several two-tone combinations, and that's just one reason why the new Ford Victoria is the belle of the boulevard. Look at that sweep-around window. The Victoria combines the wide openness of a convertible with the snugness of a sedan. And here in the Victoria's luxury lounge interior, there are several color-keyed upholstery ensembles, combining craft cord fabrics, deep buffed leather, and vinyl, all in shades that blend ideally with the external colors you select. Yes, when you see it, you'll agree. The Ford Victoria is 1951's smartest car buy.